Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So in today's video we will be talking about a Typewell or C-print captioner job. This is a remote job. They pay $25 to $30 an hour. They have full-time, part-time, and also contract. So for this job they require that you have 1 year of typing experience, and then for this job they also have minimum qualification, which is must be Typewell or C-print trained, must be able to write 70 words per minute at 95% accuracy, maintain quality standards, exceptional English grammar skills and vocabulary, dependable with high work ethic standards, flexibility in scheduling, bilingual in Spanish, English will be a plus but not needed, and the schedule is self-determined. This is a remote job, and for this job, the description says that do you want to make a difference in the lives of students while being paid? Classroom Captioning is a remote cards and Typewell print company that only serves educational institutions. Business is booming and we are in immediate need of Typewell C-print captioners who want to help empower students. We offer a great way to get started with Typewell if you are looking to transition from court depositions or court reporting schools. Must be Typewell or C-print trained and have access to Typewell or C-print software. Or willing to enroll in an online Typewell C-print training course, please see below. So for this job, if you're interested in applying, you can also apply because this one pays really well, and per week if you start at $30 an hour you will make $1,200 per week working full-time. So thanks for watching. Until next time.